Me, I mean, baby, I exclusive. Aye, yeah, near my say peche, say dosso, say kutu, say bam. Na, adia bako if it's me in collaborate me say, me wo sema odo, e mobro, e menipa. Bisano adia michrini say, obi sisi obi.
If you don't experience, always. I'm a mother.
Exclusive and exclusive. Nana hema me name dom. Yaba ebri obosuma say. Yebeja ye nua bema chairman Frank Appiah. Oye NPP Eastern Regional First Vice Chairman. Osaye eduma wo Bost Energies. Ne ma me nimpo na da enu nti ye ne no eba benum sika ansuo amana ye fefefe. Ebusia fo fa hu dida wase. Na wonya asema enipa akebi ama o. Abasa akebi de na asem na seli.
Xposed yaba de ni aba. Ye ni aba obosuma se oko ekropon obosuma se ekro kama. Nene de yes Xposed de ni ye exclusive men and women, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, na mi rem no ne yes your mo no mba na mu se ampa am exclusive ampa. Emema eni abodwe se no mo de bi kakra. Emema no bo kakra. Emma no so aho enim ni echi na nye easy. Na yese ope o yere mre wabo ahwemu ahwe wase. Enti ekuo no ni oda no ese mehwe no. Na mehwe no onye ni paketu o. Woye nanamuwa aye friend nana ohima sewakoto.
Thank you.
Only founder and president of Exclusive Ladies and Gentlemen. Nana Akuapem.
Yeah, ja.
You aboko.
Yes, wadum.
Xposed for chia.
Yeah, jomoso.
Sir. Nana, yes, exclusive me who sa all the time. Me follow Mupa on TikTok. Yeah. Nah, I mean said this is the first encounter.
Okay.
Xposed for person who a DNA exclusive group no. What's it about?
Okay. It's a Exclusive Ladies and Gentlemen Foundation. I acquire register organ has say. Basically a non-profitable organization.
Okay.
Specifically. So the less privileged in our societies. So we share on the 6th of December, 20th December.
Yeah.
On the 6th, you go up and shine.
Okay.
I work quite cheap room. It is exclusive, specifically in the regional ma Sani Mami.
Okay, answer na some boy exclusive bi ma me boy so kakra. Why ne ohima sewakoto?
Yo, ohima sewakoto ye founder and president of Exclusive Ladies and Gentlemen Foundation.
Yemo ufihi ye wuwan.
Okay. May fi ebri.
Okay.
Me papa fi Akuapem I say ebri. Yes. Okay. And I remember Sophia Sante Draben.
Oh, okay.
And ya wo me watema community 1.
Wow.
Any community 2 nyina. Me come school nyina so watema.
Wow. You a tema girl.
Me a TM girl.
You know a bad girl. And 90 minutes me kasamba cho.
Ya wo watema community 1 me watema nyi.
Okay.
It's a day nyi after school ya ba class ya bobra.
Okay.
Enum ye de baby njuma. Ye de be so better say non-profitable organization. Bibi to say exclusive ya. And ye
questions me no na nkofo se me mbisa wo. Mate se wote akonya so. Acha akonya be.
Appeja hima.
Oh, okay.
Suhuma badaka.
Wow. And na pacho no be say Mr. says wa na. And then the FNC.
Ma worry. Emma 5.
Wow. Emma 5.
Try.
Hey, and you want fe?
Me that say.
Na e dey about you ma o ka say obetiku no. And then we sorry one day. A dini crowd and our offer dino. And then about you ma o cast of betiko.
You said the crowd di kai him. O sha me me baby I exclusive. Aye. Yeah, near my yen say peche, say dosso, say kutu, say bam. Na idea back if it's me collaborate me say me wo sema odo ehumobro emenipa. Bisa no idea me chiri ne say obi sisi obi.
Okay.
Obi chinchim obi nsa esisi no. Na me started giving by 2 decades or more. A cry because if you are not me film no, a be papa side and yet, mamma side and yet, ya femu power tamabontin so. Tamakwasi drum, emu those days is why you go kremu segu kapu mutom.
I don't penny near
asana esro no asana ya ba penny di penny. Ye be na rubber.
O kai se near saw cap.
Ye pu
nim na ye the cap na sawo. And we way back.
Enye easy. Me see match
But yes.
Me see match na. Me won say ye the nipa ye the dom ana ya de. E ma na ye fe. Me won say Ghana kra na ye wo no. Se bibi cho. Say ye ni ji o say ya rehu ana say ye kwase ebunku no bibu na wuni o kamafo a wasama ye growing up me experiences ani ma we nyina it no one day I was like a simitin for ekopese ada na minti kwa ya de beboaboa ya ye ho ekuo ne nya say ye nko aye ho se kuo ba asemoto no say ye obi na esisi kuo ba ana se kuo ba na yare ami bi anything bia nipa hia nipa mo ano make ka do mbom na ye ntimi fa mo aboa ye ho ni omo a omo ni bi nenso na ye janka ewisia ekunafo omo ni bi sabe ye nwane mo medidem ye fa mo omo it's me boss so empire no so na te say akwan da ho and ma me be pay the exclusive ye register ko no me start to say me ka dom abom it's exclusive nyame ehira ye pa ye police one penimfo
wow
DSPs ASP social last 3 weeks cry call so ga kope ASP Philemon Goka we Dansuman Sukura district crime commander ne ma me yi and say a few na ye dia ba chairman Frank Appiah ye Eastern Regional First Vice Chairman of NPP ye dia ba na ye ti ye wenintini enimpon ekuku dam businessmen and women I am for ahimafo e wokuo yi me kasa me boba emre ebeko enti ekuo we aka ba ko a aka ye nyina emre bia ekuo ba bia hia bia no ekuo no ye tsai nipa nechi ye tsai nechi se wo mumpo na se wadwuma sema se ya ye support o
wow
anya abonti ye bu abonti sofo na ye de bua ya ye ho na che se it's a whole lot it's exclusive there a full package
na exclusive ya kan odi bi pa bobo titiri fu na wana e betimi adwan exclusive
Ghana ni bia oye 18 years and above from 18 years to 60 years
18 to 60
years
okay betimi adwan exclusive but be on after 60 also person adwan exclusive
akwan na ho
sa o betimi aba
peni wo fia eye nyansa so ni ba ko 14 it's exclusive said they can from 18 to 60 we try 60 years cry now person do ho bedon exclusive a kwan eda ho every say and some my for some pedodo na nya ya ti asefo wasre
na ma bisa enti enhihye ben me pese me join ni e den na say me ye e den na say me
exclusive obema a free registration
free munje cash
David
we are sure
a free registration the edition say eligible sounded Ghanaian we are from 18 years and above obema and one even membership form you free
Wow.
Yeah, Joe Ghana card. I know they do one dance here, so we are Ghana ni. Yeah, J photocopy, yeah, front and back. Yeah, our membership form. Now I feel like come.
Now on your foreigners.
There be.
Oh, Sanka exclusive dear. Baby foreigners. Maybe I make us say.
Yeah, what diasporans. Yeah, what diasporans in our midst.
Okay.
But some we are Ghana for.
And now Obinya Ghana no person join here.
I know the many executives here in this side here, but for now, no. A Ghana for yet Ghana ha any Ghana for what am on across Europe, any African continents for you know. But Europe cried a baby via exclusive when you're members.
Oh, okay.
It's both international and local. It's we are Ghana in Kwa politics will cool him. And I tribalism. Ghana ni ye nipa baako all the 16 regions ubenye bi wo ye ko ni.
Wow.
Ye nya politics wo ye nya tribalism e wo mu. Ye me fan ekuo ni say ye busua ye tosum ye no. Obi a we busua wo dwen. Eti automatically no be ka ye ho a. Wo be ye busua otosum ye no.
In the next 5 years, where do you see exclusive? Mama to nkwa ni 5 years.
In the next 5 years. Me home exclusive. Just a
Nana just a
dream.
Just
a dream.
No baby as we start here.
Because see a crap on our can be exclusive yet.
Okay.
Well, who be some in pre?
Send me person tomorrow.
Because who be some in pre exclusive. You are already at the international market.
Sure.
So what you say? And Obia will local or dream so be through the international level. Already we are there.
Until the next level.
The sky is our limit. The sky is our limit.
The sky is the limit. Now, but you see, I will say, be no person join. Now, maybe you hope it's me a friend.
It's you wait me a friend, and I am a personal number. From me was 0549 483504. Now I to train come 0549 483504.
Aha, it's exclusive. Yaba the about Robosuma say. Menena na him papa pa na ti hu ene ene de me say.
And they say
say bam. Exclusive ye afeni yaba be kwa yi na se. Ye kwa na ye besi bi e bebrem.
Wherever is exclusive, something that is so special. I do an exclusive and dancing. Let me see an exclusive ladies and gentlemen fan club and a chairman Frank Appiah of our own. In fact, who are we on exclusive? Ladies and gentlemen fan club and club are we going to know. One are we cheers every and we look very exclusive. Yes, and we'll be dancing. We'll be dancing now. What dance? What are dance? What channel? These are the exclusive men. These are the exclusive men. I am all over from here. Honestly, to this NPP. We're anyone that's what you look at men, whether it's what you want exclusively exclusive. It's the exclusive, ladies and gentlemen, fan club in the Burma from Appiah, but also count the Sabri. Cecilia, I'm out from you. Sisi Abuna Echa, Ayoma Kakra, the Penny. Kakra of Burma, Obia, Burma. Don't sit on the beach as Sabri. This is your major. I can't go Burma. Say, you're Burma, you'll be a woman, you. Do I want to Burma? Started telling Etino, Shannon of each other. So, where you need to preoccupied. Yes, every MP for New Gabon South.
MP for New Drabin South. Yeah, Honorable Befi, Honorable Ochiri. Yeah, MP you, Honorable Ochiri, Befi, Honor Sabri, where you hate.
MP for New Drabin South, Honorable Lion. Allah walai, bila bila mapana mraza na wengine kwa nyama huwa.
Yo na na matsira konya. Wada fo wada woma na na manyi mafo. Kabo nyina mesira kasaka kra. Anti fio. Mami fio baby a wopia fo aso feme na kratu akira wo so. Ni jira na jama oboyin. Oboyin nyako. Abran
receive ladies and gents.
And it's not to share another one of our family. And I feel be family with it to the men. And I will say, we share another one. Yes, sure. As before, you know, I say, you go to exclusive, Safi, into you.
Ago, Ayana Nanomi and Penny Floor. You put your mercy at your mamma. Monu Santia at her. Yeah, exclusive ladies and gentlemen foundation. The motto is a reader for peace and love. We are on Appiah from 10 times for our TikTok. Who should try a exclusive for who I will send you a dear Juma. Now a yellow from Appiah. And the exclusive say, Yawahama. I don't think Nana started my waiting. Send a wood to go exclusive as far as you know. Yawama be a year. And it's your best and another matter in Kunya. Still, we are one boy of my home fan chain. It's time someone now and a yes, young crack. It's time saying, yes, you will trust that Achia into your former and what they actually. Now, at the four and in penny for another Asia. Yen your name from Appiah and hope I don't exclusive. Now, send your back away and don't improve. Baby, tell your back of your mamma went to us. And we see me, your mamma, send it and then mammy at that phone. Come. Now, a mammy Casamajah as a woman at a mark of a body. A young Lady Julia Bakupe. I will now upon the so added exclusive ladies and foundation Appiah. Or the mama block for yet say and young can at all. Or the PA, yet to find I am a boy in your busia. What a woman boy, poor ya. Yabaya, come. And we see me die at the mono at the ama. Aha. And on Tipan, Yapa, I have for 3 years, Eddie, Frank Appiah said, not a home of me, not only said a vaccine. And then Atona, it's just a big editor, that was Professor Asama Kadio.
And you must last for family. I'm going to it's the Amani Personal Exclusive Ladies and Gentlemen Foundation. Welcome, Appiah. What's your money? I want to remember that myself. What's your money that go? You need a I am for
Yeah, man, you see, I'm on the roof, even pretty.
I am for
Yeah, man, you see, I'm on the roof, even pretty. I am for even crazy beer, even crazy beer. Even crazy beer, even crazy beer.
exclusive ladies and gentlemen from
Yes, exclusive myself. Yeah, but you see, I'm one of them around. Be the baby, I will see. Yeah, but you see, I'm one of them prophets. Be the baby, I will see. Be the baby, I will see. We've been great to be on the day, we've been great to be on.
Hey, exclusive president to me, Naima. Hey, let me show you another marketers, Naima. Exclusive Naima Kasa, Naima Kasa. It's
sense of me, I can't be mammy. You see me, I am you. I sense of me, I can't be mammy. Why your money? You see me, I am you. Yes, why your money? I need Dashima. Dashima, only now for the same amount money. Sense of me, I can't be mammy. You say, yeah, I said, so me, I can't be mammy. That's it, you say, yeah, yes, Shama, that's it. I don't feel fame, so bad, boy, me. And and you only put me in you, only put me in you, it is a sense of me, I can't be mammy. You see me, I so about me, I was with you, and you bring me, you will be mine. Only me, it is a sense of me, I can be mammy. You say, I said to me, I can be mammy. You say, I said to me, I can be mammy. You say, yes, ladies. Yes, I'm for you. I can't stop for work, I don't trust on myself.